Got our Blackstone today. Atticus and I are going to grill up some smash burgers. Lincoln's here too. Lincoln, you give a shout out for cooking hamburgers on the Blackstone?
Wait, what? What?
I don't know. You say what's up to cheeseburgers? Alright, I pre-season them. I just put some steak seasoning on there. Yeah, Texas HEB Originals. That should be good enough. And some Worcestershire. Alright, I'm going to start with a light coat of oil. What do you say, Atticus? Huh? Gosh, I need to level this thing. And let's get some buns. Oh, feel the buns. Yeah. Alright, get your smasher. Smash them. Little spritz. Little spritz. Smash them, guys. They're looking good already. Looks like a peace sign. Alright. Look at these. So easy. Or these don't look good, but look at those. Those look good. Just taking them off. Got a race against the clock here. Alright, I gave it a quick dab of oil across the top. Let's toss them on. I'm gonna spread these out. Oh yeah. Chris, you seeing this? Chris? Oh, I wish you could smell what I'm smelling, guys. Ooh, come on down now a couple of drops. We got you covered, huh? Let's put some more oil in this. Get that. A little spritz, a little griddle. Really makes it hot. I am pressing hard, burning my hand. Smash these burgers. Yeah, just toss whatever. Oh, that's popping. Oh, that's popping, guys. That's popping. Getting hard to film, but we're cheesing it up. Oh yeah, Chris. Cheese it up. We got Tillamook going here, guys. We're out of cheddar. We got a mozzarella this. What do you think, Atticus? Mix it up? Alright. I'm gonna flip these bad boys and put cheese on the other side. It's like a juicy Lucy, man. That's gonna gunk up the grill. I'm just gonna stop here. Let's put these, smash it all. Always do this on the grill. Do recommend one of these. There. So let's science cook it. Science is cooking it, guys. This is making a mess. May as well enjoy it. That'll do it. Get on there. He's smoking up the whole neighborhood. Yeah. Chris, are you hungry yet, Chris? Father's Day gift. Yeah, it looks like I melted all the cheese off. So, now you just scrape it off. All that flavor off. This burnt cheese. But I'm bringing this in. I'm putting this on the burgers. It's pretty easy to clean now, actually, while it's hot. I'm not pushing down too hard. comes right off. Cheese does. We'll do grilled cheese sandwiches next. But we'll try not to burn it all off at the end. Also, some water. Pull up all that cheese. Scrape it off. Scrape it right into this. Sarah, you gotta keep that straight. No grease trap, son. Yeah, I really need to level this with oil. I love my kicks. Yes, add a little oil. Spread it around and it'll soak in for next time. That's it. Final smash. How is it? Good. How is it, Eleanor? Lincoln?
I loved it so much.
Good. Smash it in your mouth. There you go. Alright, here's a couple of quick rolls.